Hey students, welcome back to Diksha Vedantu English channel. This is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, in this video, we discuss some important cheat codes or some important strategy to score out in your English exam. Students, please watch video till end to get the cheat codes, to understood the cheat codes. Okay, students, come on, let's discuss. Before entering to the session, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel and also Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is there in description. Okay, let's start with English. Okay, as English exam, right? Okay, let's start with white pen. English. Okay, in English, the English paper is divided into 4 parts, right, students? First part is an reading part, right? Second part is an writing part. Next, grammar part and literature part, right, students? Literature. Okay, start with reading part, students. Reading. What is reading? After you enter into the exam hall, na, they give question paper. First, read question paper thoroughly, 10 to 15 minutes. I know, students, most of the students, especially in these languages, they face time management, right? They face difficulty in manage the time in examination. All I know. For that, first you do one thing. 10 exam is correctly 10. They give question paper, right? First, fill the OMR sheet neatly. Fill the OMR sheet neatly with respective subject code. Student subject code. Please do not forget to enter the respective subject code. Okay, and bubble the subject code. In subject code, some bubbling is there, na. Bubble the OMR sheet neatly with black pen. Okay, in black pen, do that. Why not? Because nowadays what happened? Nowadays the digital scanning is coming. Okay, that is very important. Please do that. Okay, and after they give question paper, read in 5 to 10 minutes. Read thoroughly. First, attend the literature part. Okay, literature part. Read 10 to 15 minutes questions thoroughly, and identify which is easy, which is tough. First, divide easy and tough questions. First, you write the easy. Easy is nothing but the questions you know. The questions you know. The answer, write it. Write it fastly and maintain one format. For example, just imagine this is an question paper. Okay, this is an question paper. For okay, I write here. This is an question paper. Okay. Leave these margins, left and right margin, and start with here. Mention the correct question number with sub question also. For example, A. And let's move for the 2 marks, 5 marks and question. For 1 marks, very important, student, in especially English like subjects. Okay, English like subject is nothing but languages, right? In languages, please take spelling mistake ones. Okay, after writing an answer, please take the answer. Any spelling mistake is there, any if we miss a comma or full stop, any explanatory marks and other things, please take it once. Why not? In 1 marks, they mainly check the spelling mistakes. If you do spelling mistake in 1 marks, in that situation, definitely they remove off marks in the 1 marks. They deduct off marks. Okay, in 5 marks. Okay, let's move for the 5 marks questions. In 5 marks, if where they ask, just focusing, do not write all. Okay, for 2 marks, write the answer in 2 lines. For 5 marks, write 7 to 10 lines. Okay, students, and first read the summary of every unit, summary of every poem, summary of every lessons. If you learn the summary now, you can easily score the literature part. Students, time management is very important. Okay, 3 hours is there now. 3 hours is there in exam, right? Time manage. Okay, for literature, you guys are right within 2 hours. Okay, in within 2 hours, complete the literature, overall literature part. Okay, literature is done, reading part is done. Let's move for the writing part. Writing, how to write like an answer like a pro. I already do the answer. I already do the video. Please take it once, and also please ensure the format, everything. And next, move for the grammar. It is very easy part. Grammar, it is a very easy part, right, students? For grammar, I give some few cheat codes. What is the meaning of cheat codes? Cheat codes are used in game, right? To complete the targets or to complete the records and other things. Cheat code is very important. Students, I give 2 cheat codes for grammar. In especially that filling blank is there now, subject verb agreement is there, some determinants and other some, they already give the verb, we need to change to subject verb agreement. We already do some videos. Watch the videos and attend the questions. Think And students, self-confidence is very important. Be self-confident. What, for example, the person sit in front of me now, they write different, but we already correct the answer, we already write the correct answer, but some confusing, oh, he's a topper, he is a topper, if we copy him now, him or her now, we can easily score marks. This is lie, students, this is false, this is not a true, this is not a true. Okay, you confident yourself, be confident yourself and write the answer. And grammar, especially this letter writing is there already. Ankita ma'am make a video on letter writing. I give some important tricks here, students. First, identify the subjects. First, if you don't know anything about letter writing now, first ensure with the format. Letter writing is very important. Definitely they ask 5 marks, right? Ensure with the format and ensure with the date, ensure with everything from address to address, everything. And the subject, after subject some paragraph is there now. It is very important. If you mention all format, definitely you guys are got 4 marks. Students, 80 marks, I think 80 marks is there for English exam. Student target minimum 79, minimum 79. If you guys score 79 or 78 in grammars or in northern grammars in languages, now you can easily score 75 plus, not in, sorry, 95 plus in your board exams. Because science is very easy. I know science, mathematics you guys are scoring, but this English grammar, okay, I know students, the time we can't time manage because we need to write long answer, 5 marks answer, 10 marks answer. Sir, for 10 marks, how many pages we need to answer? Students, it not depend upon pages. It depend upon content. And also, for example, 2 marks you guys are writing 1 page. They also give 2 marks only. That time also they give 2 marks. But for 5 marks, you guys are write only 4. Sir, content is there, sir. Suhas sir, I write content clearly, but not I expanding. Because content is there, na sir. You only told. Not that true. I told now. What I told students, very simple. You write the content, but you need to expand something. For 5 marks, my suggestion is write minimum 12 to 14 sentences. 12 to 14 sentence is nothing but half page. And also, please maintain a discipline. Please maintain a discipline, and handwriting is must and should be good, students. Maintain good handwriting in, especially in English subject. It is very important. Don't do that Nagavalli style writing. For example, this side, da 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 da. Not do like that. For example, write like this, Suhas. And also mention neatly that comma, full stop, everything. I hope it's clear. Next, it's already letter writing is done, and also very easy subject, paragraph, unseen passages is there, and some essay writings are there, everything is there. Attend, students. And also, where we lost the marks, most of the students lost the marks in grammar part. Most of the students lose the marks in grammar part, right? Focus on grammar, students. And also, first, maintain the time is very important. First, starting with an literature, complete all literature. Okay, all literature question, including 2 marks, 5 marks, everything completed first. In within 1.5 hour, plan within 1.5 hour, 2 hours to complete the overall part. And next, move on to the grammar part. First, write all, fill in the blank. Okay, then after, enter that essay units. Not sorry, physics is coming, so sorry students, not an essay unit. The paragraph, the passage writing. Then after passage writing, right, students, and after passage writing, write letter writing and everything. And after that, especially in literature, underline the important word. For example, Nelson Mandela, some story is there now. Underline the dates. Okay, if you underline now, what happened? For example, I am the evaluator. I check your answers like this. Okay, I check the answer sheet. Oh, where is the guy is missing here? Where you do missing? But you underline some words. My concentration completely go through that word, and I give full marks. That's all, students. I hope it's clear. Okay, students, any doubt, let me know in comment section. And thank you so much for watching the video till end. And all the best for your English exam. Don't worry, students. You guys are rocket in your exams. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel for more updates. And all the best for your exams from your Suhas Bhaiya from the art, and I give some blessing also. Okay, students, bye, 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 bye. Take care. Let us you meet all guys in next session.